In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep a Google tab on top of your browser window. This is a handy trick if you're someone who likes to keep certain tabs accessible without having to scroll through a long row of open tabs. Whether you're working on multiple tasks, need to frequently reference a particular page, or simply enjoy an organized browser, pinning tabs is an essential skill. Let's dive right in and show you how it's done step by step. First, make sure you're on your Google browser. This feature is an integral part of Google Chrome and a few other browsers, but may not be available or may function differently on other platforms. If you're not using Google Chrome yet, consider switching over as it integrates smoothly with various productivity tools, making multitasking more efficient. Now take a look at your browser's top section where all your open tabs are displayed. Find the tab you'd like to keep on top. It could be a page you refer back to several times a day, such as a project management tool, a messaging app, or an important research page you're working on. Once you've identified the tab, the next step is to pin it. Simply right-click on the tab. When you do this, a menu of options will appear. The menu options usually include selections like reload, duplicate, and so on. Instead of those, look for the option that says pin. Click it. What happens next is quite straightforward but incredibly useful. The tab you selected will shrink down to just an icon and move to the far left of your tab row. This process effectively locks the tab, making it much less likely to be inadvertently closed. The icon will be smaller, which can save precious space in your tab bar, especially if you're juggling multiple tabs at once. Pinned tabs stay put even when you open new tabs, meaning they remain easily accessible. They will always be at the forefront, so you no longer have to sift through a sea of tabs to find your important page. This makes for a much tidier and organized browsing experience, and helps keep your most crucial tabs from getting lost in the shuffle. And there you have it. This simple yet powerful feature can transform the way you navigate your web browser daily, allowing for smoother multitasking and an overall more organized workspace. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and do remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.